Yes, students. Now, today we are going to start exercise 7A of Introduction to Algebra. So basically, students, in front of you one diagram is given, and this is the diagram of what? So क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Anyone know? Sword. SWORD. तलवार बोलते ना? Now, in this, we can say sword. Some lengths are given. Some length are given. So we can say from this point to this point, okay, this length is equals to given how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. And from this point to this point, handle जो आपका handle है जिसको आप पकड़ते हो, this handle length is equals to given how many? A centimeter. So your question is, what is the total length of this figure? Okay, so how we'll find out? Obviously total का बात है तो क्या करेंगे? Addition. So write down like this, the length, या shortly write down directly, length is equals to 5, देख लेना, 5 plus a centimeter, 5 plus a centimeter, done. अब इसको आगे एडिशन ही नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दिस इज वेरिएबल, दिस इज कांस्टेंट, दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट एडिशन. सपोज इस क्वेश्चन में इस तरीके से रहता 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 6 सेंटीमीटर, देन वी कैन एडिशन 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. बट हियर a centimeter we are considered because here answer is not given, मतलब कोई वैल्यू दे ही नहीं रखा है, that's why we can consider this is a centimeter. Okay, that's why we can say 5 plus a centimeter, this is the correct answer. यहाँ तक कि आपको छोड़ना है आंसर. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Okay, now this is what? Anyone know this is which figure? This is the figure of screw. All of you know this is the figure of screw. Now this screw also in divided into two parts. Actually, from this portion to this portion, this is how many centimeters, students? X centimeter. कितना दे रखा है? x सेंटीमीटर. वी कैन कंसीडर x सेंटीमीटर, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना 6 सेंटीमीटर, 7 सेंटीमीटर, लाइक दिस वे वी कैन कंसीडर x सेंटीमीटर. एंड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, है ना, दिस इज हाउ मेनी? y सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल लेंथ? इन योर क्वेश्चन सेज लेंथ ऑफ द स्क्रू इज इक्वल्स टू, राइट डाउन ऑल ऑफ यू, लेंथ ऑफ द स्क्रू इज इक्वल्स टू x plus y सेंटीमीटर, x plus y सेंटीमीटर, डन. बस इतना ही तो है. ओके, x plus y सेंटीमीटर, डन. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, वेरी वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, है ना. नाउ विल मूव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स सी. नाउ इन दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी पार्ट, दिस इज गिवन. Actually in this C part one apple is given. I don't know this is perfect apple बनेगा नहीं में बनेगा, but I am trying to make this apple perfect. Good apple na? Okay. Actually I am not painter, but I am trying to make. And one banana is there. This banana I also don't know, but मैं try कर सकता. Okay, just try, not perfect. So see, now in this question says the one apple, एक apple का cost दे रखा है. How many rupees? This is given x rupees. How many rupees? X rupees. And the cost of banana is equals to only 1 rupee. Only 1 rupee. So your question is, what is the total cost of the banana and the apple? So we can write down total cost is equals to how many rupees, students? x plus 1 rupees. Very good. But यहाँ पे rupees लिखना है आपको, not rupee. Rupees. Done. Very easy question. Very very simple question. Okay. Done. Next question. Let's see D part. Okay. Now D part. Again I am trying to. I can't make. चलो try कर सकता हूँ. चलो. डायल बना लेता हूँ पहले एक. Okay. Like this type of watch is given. And like this type of watch is given, है ना, and we can say the cost of the watch is equals to rupees x. The cost of the watch is equals to rupees x, and one camera is given. So camera, this is very hard. Camera बहुत hard दे रखा है. Okay, just roughly figure I am making. Okay, मिल जाएगा. Like this type of camera is given, and this is rupees how many? Y. Rupees Y. So the cost of watch is equals to given rupees X, and the cost of camera is equals to rupees Y. So your question is, what is the total cost of these two articles? So write down total cost is equals to rupees, this is sign of rupees X plus Y. Done. This is your complete answer. Okay? This is the total cost of these two things. Now students, tell me, these questions are very easy or hard? Obviously easy. Yes or no? Okay. Now next question में आ जाते हैं एक बार. Question number 2. Okay, this is done I think all of you. चलो. Now question number 2. Now question number 2. जो सबको हाई रखना है ना, सो जाना मत क्लास के साथ. जस्ट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्लास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ऑल ऑफ यू सी योर बुक. इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 says write the length of the handle. So in this question 1, like suppose स्क्रू ड्राइवर है ना आपका. स्क्रू ड्राइवर घर में हम बहुत सारे काम में लेते हैं स्क्रूज ओपन करने के लिए. स्क्रू ड्राइवर इज गिवन. वी कैन से स्क्रू ड्राइवर इज गिवन लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ लाइक दिस. इस तरीके से कुछ दे रखा है आपको. And this is I know not properly making. Like this type of screwdriver is given. Okay, now in this screwdriver we can say this length is given, total length. See all of you, this is total length is given p centimeter, and this length is given, this is q centimeter. Try to understand, very simple question. ये भी समझना है आपको बस. Actually this total length is given, the screwdriver, the total length is given how many? P centimeter, and this much length is given q centimeter. So your question is, what is the distance of this handle? What is the distance of this handle? Very simple question. Tell me, how many answer? Tell me, if it is the total length p and this is only small length q, so what is the length of this one? P minus q. P minus q नहीं होगा. सोचो, this is total. If I consider the total length is equals to 10 centimeter, ठीक है, and this is suppose 4 centimeter, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 10 minus 4 6 centimeter. ऐसे तो करेंगे, टोटल में से ये माइनस कर देंगे. तो सिमिलरली वी कैन से p centimeter minus q centimeter. This is the length of the handle. So length of the handle is equals to p minus q centimeter. Done. Okay, now next question हमें आ जाओ. Next question you have to solve yourself, है ना, B part. All of you check one time B part. Same question is there, so that question you have to solve yourself. One gun barrel is there. Okay, gun barrel होता है ना, so that you have to find out जो भी है. Now next question number 3. Okay, so let's see question number 3. All of you ready for that? Many of the students still now not open their camera. On of you on your camera. Chalo, question number 3. All of you see here question number 3. Write the total length of 4 screws. Means, just check it, very simple question. Question number 3, first part. Actually some screws are there. Like this type of screws are there, very, or we can say like this. Like this type of screws, a lot of screws are there, 4 screws. Okay, 4 screws are there, na? Now each screw, the length of each screw, this is t centimeter. How many centimeter? T centimeter. This is also t. This is also t. All this, the length of each screw is equals to t centimeter. So your question is, what is the length of 4 screw? What is the length of 4 screw? So all of you see, very simple. The length of 4 screws is equals to t. Very simple. Yes or no? कैसे? 40 sir. T plus t plus t plus t. And how many t? 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. Done. ये तो आपका आंसर है. Okay. All of you understood? Okay. Now see all of you question number B. Question number B. Write the total length of these nibs. Very simple. लिख सकते हो? Yes, students. What is the total length of the sorry? What is the total length of his nibs? Nibs are given. जो पेन का होता है ना nibs. That nibs are given. So 2 nibs are there. We can see first is like this. This is B centimeter, and another like this. This is also B centimeter. So total length of 2 nibs is equals to how many? 2b centimeter. Done. Okay, 2b centimeter. Done. Here D is given. Okay, sorry. This is D, not B. So write down 2D. 2D centimeter. Okay. Understood all of you? Now we'll move next question. See here. Okay, chocolates, toffee का बात है क्या? देख लो. Interesting toffees. ये वो वाला टॉफी नहीं है. 2 रुपीज में एक आता है. ये 1 रुपीज में 4 चॉकलेट वाला टॉफी है. See here, 1 rupees 4 chocolates. Okay, now see. In this question says, write the cost of each chocolates. Write the cost of each chocolates means you have to find out the cost of one chocolates. So in front of you, ये chocolates उसका याद नहीं दिलाता आपका से आप जब छोटे थे. Then in your when you are doing very good, तो आपका टीचर्स आपको देते थे ये लो टॉफी बना के दे देते थे. आप उसमें खुश हो जाते थे. But this is this type of toffees. See here. Now you are in 6th standard. I think अब अगर सॉरी अगर मैं इस टाइप का टॉफी बना के दूं बोला सर रियल में चाहिए मुझे सिल्क चाहिए मुझे ये टॉफी नहीं चाहिए सिल्क चाहिए सिल्क दो. Okay, now see here all of you. First of all, write down like this and write down like this and write down like this. Okay, now in front of you 4 toffee is there. Now what is the total cost of the toffee? That is given x paise. X paise. This is the total cost. Okay, try to understand. This is the total cost of the toffee. We have to find out each cost of the toffee. अब कैसे find करोगे? How to find out each cost of the toffee? How? Multiply, subtraction, division, addition. What have to do? बताओ मुझे क्या करेंगे? No minus how possible? देखो मैं एक रियल एग्जाम्पल ले रहा हूँ ना तो आप सबको आ जाएगा समझ. Suppose if I say the total cost of the toffee is equals to 20 rupees. So now tell me what is the cost of each chocolate? आप बोलोगे सर जल्दी जल्दी 5 सर 5. How 5? Because 20 को आपने 4 से डिवाइड कर दिया. अभी तो 5 आया. So similar way we can say the total cost is given x पैसा. 4 chocolates there, so divided by 4, है ना? Divided by 4. So write down each cost. Sorry, ऐसे लिख दो. Cost of each toffee is equals to x upon 4 paisa. P. Paisa means P. Okay. Done. No issue. Yes, students. Okay. Now next question. See here. एक्चुअली डिवाइड हम कब करते हैं कब है जब हमारे पास इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के लिए बोलते हैं है ना. जो भी चीज हम इक्वली करते हैं डिवाइड Suppose if I say in our class total 68 student is there, 68 70 students are there, and in like in my hand like 280 laddus are there. क्या लड्डूस, लड्डूस नाम से आपका जीप घूम गया होगा अंदर ही, मुझे पता है. 280 laddus are there. And so how many student, each student get how many laddus? So obviously 280, मेरे पास जितने भी लड्डू है 280 divided by each like 70 students we can say, डिवाइड ही तो करेंगे, तभी तो एक एक स्टूडेंट कितना लड्डू मिलेगा, 4 लड्डूस. और 4 लड्डूस आप पता नहीं एक तो खा लोगे उस टाइम, एक तो पॉकेट में लेके चल जाओगे, क्या पता नहीं क्या क्या करोगे आप, है ना. नाउ सी हियर sorry, now B part. In this B part that is given, one line is there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. One line. And this line is divided into 3 parts. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. Okay, and this total line, total length is given, this is B. How many? B meter. Okay, this is the total length is given, how many? B meter. Now who tell me what is the length of each part? हर एक पार्ट का लेंथ कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? थिंक, ऑल ऑफ यू थिंक, यूज योर ब्रेन. जो आपका लॉकडाउन वाला ब्रेन है ना, ब्रेन में लॉकडाउन लग गया, उसको थोड़ा सा ग्रीस डालो, ग्रीस, एंड फाइंड आउट. वी कैन से द लेंथ ऑफ ईच पार्ट इज इक्वल्स टू B upon 3 meter. Yes, students, very good. I know many of the students give an answer. Length of each part is equals to B upon 3 meters. That is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Okay, okay. So till question number 4, I hope no doubt will be there. Now see all of you. Actually, in front of you, question number 5 given. Write each verbal expression. Write each verbal expression as an algebraic expression. कुछ verbal expression देना है, that you have to write down in the form of expression. If you remember yesterday, that means previous lecture, we have solved a lot of questions. See here, question number 1, 5 first part. First part is given 3 more than t. 3 more than t. Now anyone remember more than means what? क्या करते हैं हम? माइनस, प्लस, डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई, प्लस. वेरी गुड. सो वी कैन से 3 प्लस टी, बस ये तो है आपका एक्सप्रेशन. 3 मोर देन मीन्स प्लस टी का टी एज इट इज. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट्स सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज C less D. C less D. Who tell me? Yesterday also? No. Very bad. C minus D. Not write down D minus C. When less, then what will come? When less, then what will come? In that case, D write down first and C write down second. But here C less only come. That's why we can say C minus D. This is the correct answer. D minus C is the wrong answer. ये आपका wrong है. Okay. Now third part. Third part, y increased by 6. Y increased by 6. So y increased by means plus 6. Very good. Next question. Next question, that is m decreased by 8. M decreased by 8. So m minus 8. Decrease means minus. Okay, all of you remember. Next question, fifth part. See all of you. Next question says 5 times of x. 5 times of x. So we can say 5 multiply x. 5 multiply x. But 5 multiply we will write down 5x. Very good. 5 multiply x मतलब ही क्या है? 5x है ना. मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइड दैट विल बी रिमूव, गायब कर देता हूं मैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 6 पार्ट. 6 part that is given 1/2 of x. 1/2 of x. Now all of you remember 1/2 means कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1/2 means 1/2. Okay, 1/2 means what? 1/2 है ना, half part. And of means what? Of means multiply into x. अब देखो कैसे करेंगे? x into 1 कितना होता है? x into 1 how many? x and divided by 2. That is the correct answer. ठीक है, 1 into x first of all write down and 2 downside as it is. ठीक है, okay. Now this is completed all of yours. Yes or no? अरे ऑल ऑफ यू राइट डाउन विथ मी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक में, सिर्फ देखना नहीं है ना, साथ साथ करना भी है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Sixth part completed, seventh part. Now seventh part that is given, the sum of a and b. The sum of a and b. So sum means what? Sum means addition. A addition b. Done. ठीक है. Now next question, eighth part. Eighth part that is given, the product of 3 and q. Write down all of you. Product of 3 and q. So anyone know? Product means what? Product means multiply. Product मतलब क्या होता है? Multiply. So we can say 3 and multiply q. So 3q. Multiplication sign आपको दिखना है, इसमें लिखने का कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता. Okay, that's why we can write down 3 into q. 3q. Last two question only. Last two question. All of you be focused here. Next, the quotient of y and 10. Yesterday this is very, मैंने बहुत बार बताया था. तो quotient, what is the meaning of quotient? The quotient of y and 10. Remember all of you? Yes, quotient means divide. Quotient means क्या होता है? Divide. So we can say no, y plus 10. How it is possible? Tejas, y plus 10 no. Quotient means divide. So y upon 10. Y upon 10. Then 10th part. 2 less than m. 2 less than m. 2 less than m. अब देखो less than बोला है. If you write down 2 minus m, then this will be wrong. This will be wrong. देखो पिछले वाला क्वेश्चन में क्या था? 2 less, only less था. अगर less दे नहीं जाए ना, then we can say this one write down first and this one write down second. So m minus 2, because बात समझना अच्छे से. 2 less than m मतलब किससे कम है? m से कम है. अगर 2 m से कम होगा, then we can say m बड़ा नंबर है. अब बड़े में से तो छोटा को माइनस करेंगे. That's why we can say m minus 2 is the 100% correct answer. Understood all of you? Yes, no issue. Very simple question. Okay, so this is enough for today's class. Okay, whatever questions we are discussed, you have to practice properly. Okay,